guys, I'm Brian with Ball Guy Sci. If it's your first time here, I make videos to help you level up your edtech skills. And today we're going to be talking about Google Classroom. I know it's been around for a long time, but maybe you're just getting into it. Maybe your district switched over. Maybe you're just an old dog looking for a new trick. Well, anyway, we're going to jump into Google Classroom, and I'm going to get you started in this series right now. Okay guys, we're going to take a look at how to get into Google Classroom. We can do it by just going to classroom.google.com and you'll see your classroom here. But if you're logged in, you can click the little 9-pack and go down and find Classroom as well. Now once you're in, you're going to go ahead and click these little pancakes and you'll see all your classes you have set up there once they're set. We're going to go to settings. You can change your picture, turn on your email notifications and stuff. But in Classrooms, I'm going to create a new class by clicking the plus sign and going to create. But you saw join there. That's where kids will actually join your class when it's time for them to do so. So I'm just going to set up the name, the section, the subject, where the room is, and hit create. Once you're in here, you're going to want to go up to the left. You'll see that that class is created. But also to the right, you're going to click that little cog, and that's going to take you to your details. Now in here, you're going to be able to turn on and off an invite code, get an invite link, whether or not kids can comment. You can set up your notifications, whether or not to show them different things, to contact guardians or parents, and then to set up your Google Meet link, which I'll show you how to turn that on in just a second. Grading, how many points, you can set up categories. If you don't already have a discrete grade book in your LMS, you can use Google Classroom, and some of them will link up with it and sync the grades in between. So now I'm going to go out of here, back to my class, and you're going to see right here is that class code that I want to share with my students, and I can generate a Google Meet link if I have any sort of virtual stuff. And I get to choose whether kids see that or not. I always turn that off, and I just send them that link in a different way. But right there you can tell whether yours is turned on or off, and you can display your invite code or link right by clicking these buttons if you have kids with you or looking at your screen. This is your basic window. You're going to select a theme. You can change the layout and the look and feel of your class right by going through some of these things. Pick whichever one you want. You can upload a custom one. It'll be another video on how to create a custom photo for that header. But it just changes the look and feel. Now at the top you have stream, classwork, people, and grades. Your stream is everything that you post to students. And if you want to click in here, think of these as announcements. So whatever you want the kids to know about maybe, but not necessarily to do, or that maybe doesn't connect to a grade, is going to be basically in the stream, and you can put these in directly here. So I'm going to add in like a YouTube video or something like that. But they can be anything. They can be text, images. Whatever you want to announce or send to your students, you're going to do through here. And you'll see that comes up. And now I choose to either post it, schedule it, or save it as a draft. I'm going to schedule this for, say, 3 p.m. And that will appear in the stream at that particular time. Now me, as the teacher, you see it doesn't show up except right here under Saved Announcements. I can go ahead and view it, delete it, edit it, all before the time it goes live. Classwork is where assignments are going to be, and these are different in that they have a submission type to them. So you have assignment, CAMI assignment, quiz, question, material, reuse post. I'll get into those in a later video, but that's what you're going to find in the classwork. So instead of announcement, think assignment. You're going to title your assignment, you're going to add in any instructions you have, and then down at the bottom, you have the ability to add documents you already have or resources for your kids to use and or create. Now you Google Drive, link, file, YouTube. I'm going to pull something up from my drive here that I already have, like a Jamboard and then maybe this PDF. So I'm going to insert those in here, and then I have a setting over here to the right that I need to change. Do I want my kids to view one file, edit the file, or make a copy for every kid? And I can delete one if I want. If you edit, they all are editing the same file. So most of the time we want to make a copy for each student. Sometimes I might want to create something on the fly. Let's say a drawing. Maybe I want them to read that article and use this graphic organizer, but I don't have it made. So I'm just going to throw a shape in a text box with some instructions. And then I want the kids to open up this image and use it as a graphic organizer. That's a pretty horrible graphic organizer. But you can see I have that set to students can view, but I probably will want to change that as well, okay? Then over here, this is the assigned stuff. What class do I want it in? Do I want all kids to get it? How many points? Or is it ungraded? When is it due? So I get to change all those things when it shows up. And then a topic. So think of these like your modules or units or whatever. So I'm going to create one now. You can do that on the fly or select one you already have. You can assign a rubric, create a rubric, reuse, all sorts of stuff depending on how you want that to be graded. And then you can always check for plagiarism, but you are kind of limited at that. So once I have everything set up in my assignment, I'm going to go up to the top here and click on Assign, Schedule, Save, or Discard. I'm just going to save that. This one's just a draft. I can go in and delete it. Now, people would be students and teachers. I can invite my students or a co-teacher, but normally use that link, or the gradebook once I have some stuff set up. So everything lives here in my stream. I have a calendar setting. Hey guys, I hope that was helpful in Google Classroom. There is a lot here, and some of your other LMSs might be a little more powerful, but sometimes this is all you need. What are the main features of Google Classroom that have led you this far? What are you looking forward to using? How do you hope it will help you? Drop that down in the comments. Share this video with somebody you think could benefit from it. I hope you hit that like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.